name's Jeanette Kelly, and I'm a lead teacher and a site director at our Fountainwood Child Care that is located in Fountainwood Elementary School in Burlington Township. I moved up here from Florida, where I was a public school teacher. Wasn't quite sure what I wanted to do. I thought, hey, I get to choose this time and do whatever I like. I realized that I really enjoyed working with young children. I was last a kindergarten teacher. My master's is in reading, so I'm an avid reader, and I love to animate. So my favorite thing would be to read with the children and get them to read with me. I love the fact that the Y responds to the community. Whatever the need is in the community, the Y tries to either partner up or resolve that need just within the organization, and I love that. I like the way that they reach out to 7th graders, which is a really critical period for children, and I just love being a part of something that's positive.